Well folks, we're right on the very top here, big Llansannan, lovely view of miles around, as you can see. So it's doing the best by spinning around, not getting caught in the camera, which I'm not going to get it. We've all the way up from down the bottom, all the way up on the other side. Got 2 signals coming all the way up. That's it. But there you go. Mate's just shouted over the back there. I haven't had my phone out, I haven't been doing much recording for the simple reason, too bloody windy. So there we go, everyone. Probably won't be a video tonight. Charlotte's had a couple of pennies which she'll show. And I've had some nails, that's been it. But you can hear the wind. Moving it down. Right. Don't come back to you. That's it. Right, laters folks. Right folks. Put me back to the wind. Show you this. I've just had that out now. And I'm not kidding you. There's me hole at the side of the detector there. Can't focus, there you go. Hammered. And you wouldn't believe, I've just walked all that, all the way around there, all the way down the valley, all the way back up, back round. Not even a buzz on the detector. Got to hear the view of the cars, which are just there, and bang. And as I'm coming down, we just had a button by the thistles there, and then yes. Hammer! Daymaker. Right. Heading back. I lost my pointer on this farm, but field's about a couple of miles away. So we're going to head back to the car, pick the car up, and we're going to go and have a look for that. But yeah, that little hammered has truly made my day today. Happy days.
I think it's another, either a buckle or a coin. Should be a buckle. So there's the imprint, and here is the coin. The 1p.
I was on the other week to look for my pointer. Been all across on the path I did, come across, come down, back round, on the way back down to the gate. No joy, but the grass is like nearly knee high, so it's a shame, but there you go. Gutted, and I can't get another one because there's none in the UK. I've spoke to Nocta, they are coming in hopefully by the end of the month. Just have to put it behind me, eat humble pie and put it down to boss. Shame like. RIP Nocta Acupunt. Right, back to the car now, and I'm home. Right folks, end of the day, these are the finds we had today. Few coins, buckle, buttons. That one looks like it's been a gilded one at some point. Got a hammy, which I'm pretty glad to say come up last. Try and get an idea on that later. I haven't got a clue at the moment. And then, well, there's all the crap basically from today. Quite a bit, but you know, Charlotte got a bit of a bottle for any of you out there who bottle buffs. It's got like a star with a number 6 on it. Any of you know what that is? But yeah, there you go. So I'll put a bit of a video together, won't be long, I haven't got much, but that's it. Right folks, don't forget, like and support the channel please, all helps. So I'm gonna go now, it's getting a bit chilly. Well, it is in a short and t-shirt outside, but there you go. Right, oh, there is a video explaining we didn't find my pointer. We did go back and search the field, but the grass was up to knee height, so that was knocked on the head. Right, catch you all later. Bye.